Hello everyone, this is Cornell, junior front-end developer and student at Codep Academy, and this is a short video about the array reduce method. So the reduce method is one of the best weapons you can have in your arsenal as a programmer. How does it work? The reduce method executes a reducer function that you provide on each element of the array, resulting in a single output value. So let's take this one straight to the console. And let's say we have an array with 5 elements and we want to add all the elements together. So we could use a for loop and loop through the array and add each element, or this is the perfect situation to use the reduce method. Now we want to use the reduce method when we want to accomplish two things. The first being we want to end up with one value in the end, so not an array but one value. And the second being when we want to persist the return of the outcome of iterating over our elements in each subsequent iteration. So let me just quickly demonstrate this. I'm gonna say array dot reduce, and reduce is going to take two arguments. We're gonna talk about the second one a little bit later, and the first argument is going to be a callback function that is going to have two parameters, the second being the current element and the first is going to be the accumulator. Now the accumulator is just what it sounds like. It's the accumulated value of calling this function on each element before the element we're currently at. So if we wanted to add every number in the array, we would just say accumulator plus current element accumulator current element. We will do accumulator plus current element, and the second argument of the reduce function we're gonna set at 0. Now if you're wondering what the first value of accumulator is, that is the second argument. So we're gonna start the accumulator at 0. So first the accumulator is 0, the current element is 1, so 1 plus 0 will equal 1, which will get passed as the accumulator value in the second iteration. So now the current element is 2, the accumulator is 1, and 1 plus 2 will be 3, which will get passed as the new accumulator value. So the current element now is 3, so 3 plus 3 equals 6, which will get again passed as the accumulator value. Now the current element is 4, so 6 plus 4 equals 10, which again is gonna get passed as the accumulator value. So now we are at the last element, so the current element is 5, the accumulator is 10, 10 plus 5 will equal 15. So this is how the reduce method works. Now of course we can call the reduce method not necessarily with starting from 0 here. The only reason we called it with 0 here is because the purpose of our exercise was to add every number in the array. Of course we can start at 10 and we're going to get 25 because the accumulator starts at 10, current element is 1, 10 plus 1 11, then accumulator is 11, current element is 2, 11 plus 2 13, and so on and so forth until we are going to get the end result, which is 25. So this is how the reduce method works. works, guys. If you have any thoughts, leave them in the comment section. Have a wonderful day, and until next time, may we reduce our fear of failing, and may we map over our array of accomplishments. Have a great day, guys.